The Royal Enfield Himalayan Sleet Edition gets new camouflage paint scheme coupled with new additional Explorer kit as part of the package. The Explorer kit will be offered with the bike only for the first 500 units, post which it will be available as an optional feature. Adding some excitement to the entry-level adventure tourer, Royal Enfield has launched the new Himalayan Sleet Edition in the country. The new Royal Enfield Himalayan Sleet Edition is essentially the same model with the camouflage paint job we showed you recently and is priced at 2,12,666 Indian rupee on road, Chennai. The Himalayan Sleet Edition Explorer kit includes pre-fitted 26-liter water-resistant aluminium panniers, pannier mounting rails, off-road style aluminium handlebar with cross brace and bar end weights, while there is also an engine guard with powder coating finish. All these will be part of the Explorer kit. Post which this Explorer kit will be offered as an optional extra. The Sleet Edition is backed by a 2-year warranty by the manufacturer. With the Explorer kit, the Royal Enfield Himalayan Sleet Edition is about 28,000 more expensive than the standard version. Mechanically, the Himalayan Sleet gets no change and continues using the same 411cc single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine tuned to produce 24 bhp at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 32 Nm of peak torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. The bike comes equipped with a long-travel suspension setup, while braking performance includes disc brakes at the front and rear. The adventure motorcycle rides on a 21-inch spoke wheel at the front and an 18-inch wheel at the rear, both of which get dual-purpose tires.